Hello everybody, welcome to online class. In the last class we are done with the unit 3. So today we'll begin with the new unit, that is unit 4, creativity and innovation. We'll understand first the creativity, then we'll move to the innovation. Okay, so let's begin with the creativity. See, in ever-changing modern world, customer expect what? New goods and services. Therefore, successful entrepreneurs should come up with what? New ideas so that to solve what? The problems faced by the people. Okay, entrepreneurs are always engaged in value addition and deliver what? The superior quality goods and services at a cheaper prices. So the business people always think in terms of what? New ideas to deliver superior goods at lowest possible cost by constantly improving what? The quality of the goods and the services. Always there is scope for what? Improvement. So the new ideas and thinking in a different way gives what? Birth to new goods and services. Such new goods and services helps entrepreneurs to survive, to compete and to grow in the market. So the creativity is concerned with what? Mankind. It is the power of mind to develop what? New, superior, spontaneous and wonderful ideas so that to solve what? The problems of the mankind. Creativity is what? The ability to develop new ideas and to discover what? New ways of looking at problems and opportunities. So some people always think in a new and different ways so that to solve the problems or to enrich the life of the mankind. Creative ideas may come from the most unexpected places. It means what? New ideas may come from kids, workers, universities, then situations and so on. Even the customers may come up with the what? New ideas, as they are the users of the goods and the services. So moreover, they know there are difficulties and problems. So new ideas may come from anybody and from any corner. Okay, then what is this creativity? Is exactly, creativity is a mental process involving what? The generation of new ideas or the concepts or new association of the creative mind between what? Existing ideas or concepts. So an alternative conception of creativity is that it is simply the act of making what? Something new. Okay, now, according to Thomas W. Z, what he says is creativity is the ability to develop new ideas and to discover new ways of looking at problems and opportunities. See what the definition is saying, that it is a mental and social process involving the generation of new ideas or the concepts. Okay. Next we'll move to what? Advantages of creativity. What are the advantages? The first one is quality improvement. Because of the new ideas and the new implementations, the quality will be improved. The efficiency and the effective operations will be given to the customers. Next is enhances marketing. Because of the new ideas and the new services and the new implementation, the entrepreneur can find his particular place in the market. Okay, next is improves what? Innovation. See, because of the innovative techniques, methodology and the documentation, the innovation in the goods and the services improves. It improves. Okay, next is increases the customer satisfaction. Because of the new ideas, new products, new services, new implementations and the new technology, the customer will be satisfied. Okay, next is increases profit margin. As the quality improves, he gets the market placements, and because of the customer satisfaction, the profit margin of the business increases. Okay, next is stages of creative thoughts. See, the general understanding about creativity is what? It is just like a lightning the thought, but in reality it is the outcome of what? Series of activities. An idea like a sudden flash looks very simple, but it is backed up by what? Number of activities. You can take example of a burning of a coil to generate the light and active involvement of what? Cameraman. Okay, So similarly, the mental process involved in a creative thought have been listed differently by different experts, all lead to what? An ultimate creative ideas. So the Thomas W.Z. and Alex Asburn has given 7 steps towards what? Creative thoughts. Okay, what are these steps? We'll understand one by one. Okay, the first step is what? Preparation and orientation. See, the basic requirement of creative thought is what? Readiness of mind to think. The mind should be the part of the problem, then only it starts thinking. Like when the bus traveler lost his night sleep in the bus, his mind thought about sleeping coach bus. Okay, why he thought regarding the sleeping coach bus? Because his mind became a part of the problem, so it started thinking and he came up with a solution. So it is a key factor in the process. Okay, the biggest problem is how to make a mind as a thinking factory. There are certain ways and means to make the mind constant and instant thinking machine. What are those ways? Will understand in 4 steps. That is, first one is look differently to a problem or a situation. See, the mind should be allowed to look differently towards the problem. Don't have a generalized attitude all the time. It is just like a simple question of Sir Newton, like why mango falls down. Because of this thought, the miracles happened. So it is possible through the format, education, experience, and encountering what? Different problems. Okay, next comes is vivid reading. That is, allow your mind to read and read and read the all possible sectors around you. A commerce student can also read about the principles of science and try to relate the principles of accounting. He may think of similarities and dissimilarities of the same. There are good numbers of examples about scientists who became the poets. So a vast reading mind will have more ideas than the other. Okay, next comes is discussion. See, the discussion of the read material adds toward the new thinking. The group members may throw light on the topic which enrich the original idea. The discussion may be with peer group, family members, or association members. It may be with anyone, but in many a number of cases, the questions rose by kids takes to you to the unknown world. So the whatever you are reading, if you discuss with the other person, the light will be thrown on the topic and the problem, and you will come up with the solution. So the educative questions of uneducated people are the testing time to your read mind. Okay, next is travel and listen. The pathways towards thinking are travel and listening abilities. The mind thinks differently when it associates with unknown place, unknown people, unknown nature, and unknown environment. A good listening mind can perceive the insights. So the words of seniors are more than the book knowledge. It is said that the experienced words of age-old people are the treasure of new ideas. So the more and more you prepare your mind and orient it towards the thinking, you can surely think something new. So this is the primary stage of what? Creative process. Okay, next comes is the investigation and the analysis. See, once you gather the adequate information from the prepared mind, next step is what? To investigate and analysis of the same. So usually ideas emerge during the first stage. Okay, the idea comes what? During the first stage. All these need to be checked with the cause and effect calculation. See, the idea to start a business should be checked with its feasibility, that is the pros and the cons of the ideas. Okay, the facts and figures around the idea need to be evaluated. To investigate is to check the soundness of an idea, to verify the accuracy of the idea. The analytical process is undertaken by the left hand side of the brain. The more you apply the left hand side brain, the better would be your ideas. So the possibilities of the practical implementation of ideas is done by analysis. The weightless ideas are discarded at this stage. Okay, the remaining steps we'll understand in the next class. Thank you.